Hello, today we're going to make scrolling text in Photoshop. First, I'm going to start with a nice big canvas of 800 by 800 with 72 dpi, because I don't know how big my text is going to be. Next, I create my text. Hello. I'm going to put it into the corner. Then I'm going to duplicate with Command J. Creates another new layer. And I'm going to move this text somewhere else. Now what I'm doing is I'm choosing how big I want the gap to be between the loop and text. I think something like that. Next, I'm going to zoom in, get the crop tool, and make sure I don't have delete cropped pixels because I still want this part when I crop it. So now I'm going to crop it now. And what I do when I crop it, it goes right up against the other piece of text. Crop. Next, I'll create a video timeline. And for each layer, the other text still exists, it's just over here. I'll turn on the ticking keyframe thingy here, making sure my scrub thing is at the start. Next, I move to where I want to, I'm choosing the length of the animation here, so I think it'll be about 1 second here. I select both layers, and while holding shift, I drag it and move it into the position. Next, I crop my timeline to the length of my animation, and now we can press play. If it's jumping a bit, you might want to move the last keyframe maybe a bit to the left, a bit to the right, depending on how fast the frame rate is. So it's jumping a bit, so I'm going to move it a bit in, and then that should be perfect. And that's how you make scrolling text. Goodbye.